In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in PowerPoint notes, making your presentations clearer and more effective. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting or organizing lecture notes, increasing or decreasing the font size can make your content more readable and visually appealing. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're not already on your desktop, go ahead and find the PowerPoint icon in your applications folder or taskbar and double click to get it running. Once that splash screen fades away, it's time to take the next step. Now navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you want to edit. Perhaps it's a presentation you've been working on for a while, or maybe it's a new one you've just started. Either way, open that file up so we can start making those important changes to your notes section. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen and find the View tab. The View tab is your gateway to a whole new range of editing possibilities, allowing you to look at your presentation from different perspectives and tweak it to perfection. Once you're in the View tab, take a moment to scroll down to the bottom of your presentation. There you'll see the Notes section. Click on it because this is the area where you'll be making those font size adjustments. Focusing here ensures that your notes are just right for your or your audience's needs. Now, over on the right hand side under the Zoom section, you'll find the Zoom button. Go ahead and click on that. Zooming in will help you better see the notes as you're adjusting them, making sure you get everything just the way you want it. After clicking zoom, you'll be faced with a few options. It's here that you can choose your preferred magnification percentage. Maybe you want a closer look or a broad overview. Either way, select the zoom level that best suits your needs. This flexible adjustment will give you a more precise grip on those text changes. When you're satisfied with your zoom level and ready to lock in your adjustments, click OK. This will confirm your selection and apply the changes you've just made. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. You can always go back and adjust it further if needed. By following these steps, you can ensure your PowerPoint notes are clear and concise, enhancing your presentation's overall effectiveness. Adjusting the font size in your notes section is really about tailoring the presentation experience to meet your specific needs or those of your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and insightful. Happy presenting!